You are looking at a BMW R1100RT, BMW's authority model that they offer to law enforcement agencies. In an upcoming video, I'm going to be speaking quite a bit about this model and pointing out some of the features. If you had any questions about the R1100RT authority model, post that below as a comment and I'll see about answering your question in the video. These are a very interesting model. I look forward to reading your comments. Thank you for watching. You'll see this machine again soon. Take care.